Hi everyone, and we have the Makita Repair DHP453, and it just works for a noise. You can see that it was disassembled before, so we will open and check what we can find inside. Okay, this one is inserted incorrectly, of course, the dusts. And we're going to see the motor now. And okay, cannot look. Yeah, I can see the burn marks inside. So the motor is burned. I have the spare used motor for this one, so I will put the spare motor and check how it works then. Okay, we have almost everything ready for the soldering. Okay, got the red out. Okay, got it. So now we have the new spare motor. I'll just put the wire here. Time for the black wire. I will just hold it like that and try to hit it to get it to the hole. Okay, we have changed our motor. Now I will put it into the housing, and what I want to check is how it works. Yep, really better than the old one, so we can clean the drill a little bit and assemble it. And if sometimes I'm cleaning the tools very good, sometimes not. That depends on the owner of the tool, because if they are working only in a very dirty environment, it's no point to clean the tool, I think. And okay. Got the gear, see. Just making sure that everything looks good here, everything places, the position button, or position, sorry, back or forward button. And now we can close the housing. Okay, now we can test the drill again. Yep, it had a power. hammers, so we got it working back again. Of course the motor not sounds like new because it's a used motor, but still the drill will work, and this will go in a very dirty environment, and I hope it will last for some time. For now, thank you for watching.